Hello, today I've got yet another recipe which is Bombay duck fish curry which is spicy. And before we start this recipe, please like, subscribe and write a comment in Jaisri Kadai Kata English. Now I'm cutting the Bombay duck, removing all the unwanted thing and gutting it properly, and we'll do this similarly all the fish. I've taken onion, tomato, green chili and garlic. I am marinating the Bombay duck with turmeric, salt, green chili, ginger, spicy red chili and onion. The quantity is given on the screen. More than this, nothing is required. You have to keep this marinated for 15 minutes. In the meantime, I am taking a non-stick fry pan, put little mustard oil, allowing it to heat. You can see how beautifully it is smoking. Now I'll add the onion, making it completely brown onion as like for biryani. When it turns golden is the key to this recipe. See how beautifully it has turned golden. Now I'll add the marinated Bombay duck. You have to handle this fish very carefully because this is very soft and to be taken care especially. Should not handle much. I'm adding little water so that it cooks in this particular gravy. I'm making jhal, which is a kind of curry and it is spicy. This will take minimum 12 minutes to 13 minutes of cooking after putting on the non-stick fry pan after the onion. And before finishing, I'll be adding little tomato which is around 85 gram and 3 green chili which is black in color, and allowing it to cook for some more time so that the tomato becomes soft and pulpy, and should not stir more because this will break eventually. So you have to be little careful while handling, better not to be stirring it. So this is, I'm checking the seasoning with the hand. If the hand gets little wet, it says you can have to add salt. If it dries up, no need to add any more salt. The seasoning is just perfect. So I'm putting the Bombay duck curry in a serving platter. We'll be eating this with plain rice. Please like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends.